Welcome back to the channel, and as you can see, this is one of the battery boxes which I'm going to try and restore. Just see there, just inside there's another one there, but we'll just do one side at a time. So what I need to do is chop out the rot, but you can just see it there. So first thing, get the wire brush on and then see what it looks like inside and out. As you can see, it's just, well, what do you say really? It's well rotten. So I'm just gonna take the wire brush to it and see what I've got left. I've got metal to put in, so let's see where we get to, but it needs doing. Okay, I can't rebuild the car knowing this is left the way it is. Well, this is well rotten. As you can see, I've cut out so much rot. I've had to remove the fuel pump, which is over there. You can see there, I'm trying to keep stuff away. I really don't want to weld. I've got metal to put in, so what I'm going to do now is just going to pop rivet. This is my idea, pop rivet first, and then if I really need to weld in, then I can actually put a couple of tacks in and just to strengthen up. But what I'm just going to do now, you can just see it's just, yeah, it's well rotten. But again, if I just clean it off, and God knows how long it's been like this. So, but you can just see, just also, I've just cut some of the rot out and just used the wire wheel. Okay, let's try and measure up. Well, as you keep picking at it, more and more of the battery cage is giving up the ghost. So you can see I've just cut out the entire bottom, and I'm just going to plate it. I think the first thing is just to pop rivet it in place. But again, I've got to do that one as well. But you can see there, I'm just going to, it's all, try to get well, it's clean. So I'm just going to apply some primer now and then just pop rivet it and then a couple of tacks on, and it should be strong again. Welcome back. As you can see, got the fuel pump just lying on the leaf spring. That even looks, it's seen better days. I've just cleaned it as well, actually. It was absolutely covered in underseal. I hate underseal the same as I hate rust, but whoever had the car before me has just coated everything with bitumen, whatever you want to call it. But you can see now, if I just pan in, I've got plates in here, plates in there. If you just have a look, I think you can just see, I think I'm blocking the light, but you can just see there, a plate there, couple of more pop rivets, and maybe tack welded in. Just going to tack it in places, but it's absolutely strong. It's a big difference to what it was at the beginning of the day, but it's a lot better. So now I'm debating, do I look at refurbishing the pump and renewing the hoses? God knows when they were changed. Well, I will be renewing the hoses, but then I'll be looking at this pump and servicing the pump and cleaning it. So it's slowly getting there, and as you can see, I've been scraping off the underseal on the other battery carrier, cage, whatever you want to call it. This was the worst one and I wanted to tackle it. But yeah, it's a lot better. I think if I just pan in there, you can see nice little house there. Yeah, it's good. Right, bye for now.